Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Subaru Crosstrek trunk. First, locate the exterior release button, usually found just above the license plate on the tailgate. Press this button firmly, and you'll hear the latch disengage. Then, simply lift the tailgate upward to fully open the trunk. It's a straightforward process designed for quick and easy access to your cargo area. This method is the most common way to get into your Crosstrek's rear storage. Many Subaru models, including some Crosstreks, offer convenient ways to open the trunk from inside or with your key fob. You might find an interior release button on the lower left dash panel, which you can press and hold to open the tailgate. Alternatively, simply press and hold the trunk release button on your key fob for about 3 seconds. Remember, for the key fob or exterior button to work, your vehicle's doors generally need to be unlocked. If your battery is dead or the electronic release isn't working, you can manually open the trunk from the inside. Crawl into the cargo area and locate a small access panel on the interior trim of the tailgate. Behind this panel, you'll find a small lever, often white or glow-in-the-dark, that you can push or pull to release the latch. If your trunk isn't opening, always check for any obstructions that might be preventing the latch from disengaging properly. Closing your Crosstrek's trunk is usually as simple as opening it. Gently pull the tailgate down until you hear it securely latch into place. For models with a power liftgate, you can often press a button on the tailgate itself or on your key fob to initiate the closing sequence. Always double-check that the trunk is fully closed and latched before driving to ensure your cargo is secure. And speaking of convenience, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, making your life a little bit easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.